In Satyuga, there was a very famous, very powerful, honest, and a great king. His name was King Revat. Once upon a time, King Revat was performing a great yajna, and from the fire of the yajna appeared a very divine girl, and she was named as Revati because the king's name was Revat. As Mother Sita, who appeared from the earth, Mother Revati appeared from the fire, and she was full of divine, wonderful, godly qualities. She was one of the most beautiful. Therefore, when she grew up, King Revat, he was so much worried about the suitable match. So King Revat, he traveled throughout the world, all the countries, all the continents, to find the best suitable match for his daughter, and he prepared a list of some shortlisted few kings. Then he could not come to a decision. So when he was more confused, then he thought to approach Lord Brahma. So he went to Brahmaloka, and at the Brahmaloka, when he approached there, the doorkeeper, he informed that Lord Brahma is busy in some musical concert. Some Gandharvas have come and they are performing some special sequence for the pleasure of Brahma. So he need to wait. So this way, King Revat and his daughter Revati both has to wait there for some time. Subsequently, Lord Brahma, he called upon them, and the King Revat, he showed him his list that these are the kings I have shortlisted. Please guide me who is best among them. With whom shall I marry my daughter? So the Brahma, he started smiling and he said, "Oh King Revat, you don't know, this time when you waited here, this is Brahmaloka. The time here and the time on the planet Earth is big difference. It is described in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srila Prabhupada says, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, he explained that in one day of Lord Brahma, there are 1000 cycles of Chaturyuga. So one day of Brahma is equivalent to 1000 cycles of Chaturyuga on this planet Earth. Therefore, while he was waiting outside for Brahma to come, in that time, meanwhile, 27 Chaturyugas were over. So Lord Brahma said, "Yes, but all these kings whom you have shortlisted are no more there. Everything has been changed. You are the only person, you and your daughter are the only person, because you came to Brahmaloka. Everyone else has left that world now. But I can help you to find the best suitable match for your daughter. And according to me, at this moment in the planet Earth, there is the Supreme Lord Shri Krishna and his immediate expansion, his elder brother Balaramji. They are performing their leelas on the planet Earth. So, as per my opinion, the most suitable candidate for your daughter is the Lord Balaram. You go and approach him." So they came to the earth and they searched. They approached Lord Balaram, and King Revat, he requested that please marry my daughter. It has been recommended by Brahmaji. So Balaramji accepted, but there was a problem. There was an issue. Issue was because King Revat and his daughter Revati, they left to Brahmaloka in Satyuga. So the height in the time of Satyuga was very tall. That time people were very tall, more than hundreds of feet. And now In Dwapar Yuga, the height was less. It was approximately 10 feet. So there was big difference between the height of Mother Revati and Lord Balaram, because Lord Balaram was performing earthly Leela. So the king became very worried that how to sort out this problem. Then Balaramji understood, and then Lord Balaram, he picked up his hull, and with that he just touched on the head of Mother Revati, and then he pulled it down, and immediately her height became less and less and less and less. So after pulling it down to his height, and then he left it, so the height of Revati became as much as Lord Balaramji. And then the King Revat, he happily performed the marriage ceremony, and he left for the forest to perform the austerities and tapasya, and the marriage of Lord Balaram was performed with Revati, and this wonderful pastime took place, which exhibits the supreme power of Lord Balaram. Please like this channel, subscribe and share with your friends. Give them also an opportunity to experience happiness. Thank you. Hare Krishna.